Good morning. Today I have for you a review for the Keychron K6. And before I go anywhere, I want to say thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting. I really appreciate it. As always, I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to like. I'm a content creator. I create content and you decide if you want to watch it. Alright, so the Keychron K6 is a compact wireless mechanical keyboard. It's small, it's wireless, it's mechanical. And if you're in demand of such contraption, you might find some useful information in this video. Let's start with value. You can find the top model for about $80. For this price, the K6 is easily a no-brainer for anyone who wants an affordable and friendly introduction to mechanical keyboards. The device is nothing premium, but the build quality is very comforting. The switches are consistent and feel sturdy, although they're not my favorite type. The long keys are surprisingly well stabilized. If I press down on one corner of the spacebar, the entire piece travels with it without visible deformation. For $80, this shouldn't be taken for granted. The most iconic feature of the K6 is its small size. The function control and numpad sections are completely gone. This makes the K6 only 65% the size of a full-size keyboard. The minimalistic design not only makes it portable, but also frees up my desk space and reduces clutter. The concise interface allows me to better focus on the keys that I actually use. It is definitely an improvement in my productivity. The K6 is also very compatible. It supports iOS, Windows, and Linux. I happen to have one of each, and I'm able to use the K6 with all of them without any setup. I simply plug in and connect, and it just works. No need of any software or installation. The best feature of the K6 is its customizability. The swappable switch is news from heaven. You are bound to use some keys more than others due to statistics. For example, the letter E is the most used letter in modern English. The E key also happened to be the one that went out on my previous Razer Black Widow. For a traditional keyboard, replacing the switches is a lot of work and few people have the time and tools to do it. I've seen numerous keyboards being tossed out just for a couple of bad switches. It's painful. Millions of tons of plastic, fabric, and electronics are made and disposed in a single day. Very little of that is actually recycled. The shit sticks around and circulates in our air and poisons our babies. It's not fucking cool. With a hot swappable key, all you need to do is to pull the sucker out and plug the new one in like a Lego piece. It makes the process 100 times less intimidating and doable by normal users. On top of that, I get full control of the LED lights. I never ever liked the RGB stuff I inadvertently came across over the years, all requiring separate softwares to control and just ricey as fuck. The Keychron K6, however, allows me to easily change the LED patterns, color, and brightness with simple key combinations. Most importantly, allows me to use a monochrome color scheme or just turn it off altogether. Bravo. The simplicity of this device is what I truly appreciate. The ease to set up, use, and repair/customize, to modify the experience and performance to fit my need, and the lack of bloatware retardation all well exceeded my expectations. The Keychron K6 is a proper keyboard. It's compact, it's serviceable, it's hassle-free. It's exactly 0% bloatware, 0% dog shit, and 100% utility. What is not to love? Now I shall recommend the Keychron K6 to you.